Got the motor here. Actually was able to get these through bolts out of here. It's really kind of amazing considering how corroded this damn thing is. But I'm going to knock the motor apart and see what it looks like. Alright, knock that apart. God, there's a lot of shit inside of here. Big time. Every now and again you'd hear like a lizard jump in this thing, or when you'd start it up you'd hear just, you know, something getting munched in here, and you can just see. What do you got here? It's like some sort of a reptilian part. Maybe a snake? I don't know. Some more crap over here. Jesus, yeah. See, there was a snake in here at one time. Jesus. Just like wedged in here pretty good. Yeah, that's a snake, alright, I guess. God dang. Cool setup. I like that centrifugal switch. Right down here, I don't know if you can see that or not. The switch is just right here. Really easy to put back together again. The other end just merely pops down. Cool. You can see the pure carnage. Gee, I wonder why that bearing went bad. Look at that. Jesus, heavily cheesed. Note the shaft. Just completely gone. Completely unusable. Man, it sucks. If I knew a machine shop that could cut that down and chrome that back to standard and grind that, but I don't. Because everything else is salvageable. And here's the old pool pump. All those bolts, through bolts on the back right here, all snapped off. I was lucky enough to get the centrifugal switch off of it though, which is nice. Alright. Try not to kill the dog here. Watch out, Pete. Here, it's a magic trick. See, there's one there, one here, but nothing that moves over here. Whoops. Yeah, there's the pool pump one. It's not going to work. You can see that the damn stator is just too damn big. So, it's even cracked down in there, but doesn't matter. I think the shaft here is a little bit longer anyhow, but that's the long and short of that. So the quest for a motor continues.